If you are a real estate agent and looking to boost your productivity through an AI tool like ChatGPT, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into how you can leverage ChatGPT to supercharge your real estate business, from creating engaging content to crafting the perfect listing description. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about creating video scripts. Whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, having a compelling script is a key to engaging your audience. But let's face it, not everyone is a born scriptwriter. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Simply type in your video idea and ChatGPT will help you structure and flesh out your script. For instance, if you want to create a video on top 5 tips for first-time home buyers, just prompt ChatGPT with your idea and it will provide you with a well-organized script. And just like that, you have a professional script ready to go. This saves you time and ensures that your content is engaging and informative. Next, let's talk about communication. Reaching out to leads in your database and sending marketing emails can be time consuming. ChatGPT can help you craft personalized messages that resonate with your audience. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write a follow-up email to a lead who recently attended an open house. Just provide some details and it will generate a tailored email that you can send out immediately. Not only does this save you time, but it also ensures that your communication is consistent and professional. All right, are you running Facebook ads? No problem. ChatGPT can help you come up with compelling ad copy that grabs attention and drives clicks. Simply input the goal of your ad and add any key points you want to include, and ChatGPT will generate multiple versions of the ad copy. You can choose the one that best fits your campaign. This makes A/B testing different ad copies a breeze and help you find the most effective messaging for your audience. Now, let's talk about one of the most daunting tasks for many of the real estate agents, which is door knocking and cold calling. With ChatGPT, you can create scripts that are persuasive and natural. You can provide ChatGPT with some context about the neighborhood and your objectives, and it will generate a script that you can use to approach potential clients confidently. Having a solid script in hand can make these tasks much less intimidating and significantly more effective. Lastly, let's talk about listing descriptions. If you're not great with words, crafting a compelling property description can be challenging. ChatGPT coming to the rescue. Input the key features of the property and ChatGPT will generate a descriptive and engaging listing that highlights the property's best attributes. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your listings stand out and attract potential buyers. Now at Qualified Agent Leads, we help real estate agents generate additional 200K GCI per year using our proven video campaigns. So if you are interested to learn more, you can visit our website www.qualifiedagentleads.com and book a discovery call with our team.